Welcome to Dataverse Solution. I hope you are doing very well. In this video, we are going to create Azure Data Lake Storage account. So before going forward, I request you to please subscribe this channel and like this video if you find this video helpful. Now let's get started and create Azure Data Lake Storage account. You can click here to create a storage account. If you not find this storage account icon here, go to here, top left menu and click here all service, and you can search here storage account. You can see here storage account, or you can also search this in this search bar, storage account, and you can see here storage account icon. Okay, click here. We have some storage account we already created. For demo purpose I am creating new. Click here this plus icon button, create, to create a storage account. Now we have to fill all this information in this form to create Azure Data Lake storage account. Okay, so choose your appropriate subscription. I am choosing as pay as you go. If you have trial account, you can choose from here. And resource group, we need to choose here Databricks resource group. RG means resource group. If you do not create this resource group, click here to create new resource group, name it, and simply click OK to create new resource group. I am creating this Azure Data Lake storage account Gen 2 because learning purpose of Databricks, and you can also create for any purpose. A storage account name, choose appropriate storage account name, and it should be unique. And you can see a name must be unique across all existing storage account name in Azure. It must be 3 to 24 character long and it can contain only lowercase letter and number. So it's only contain lowercase, so I am writing here DWS for my naming convention, Data World Solution. For DL means Data Lake for Gen 2, and it should be unique, so it must validate by Azure. And region, choose appropriate region nearest to you. I am choosing here Central India. And primary service, I am choosing here Azure Blob Storage or Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2. I am creating this Azure Data Lake for Databricks learning purpose, so I am choosing here Big Data Analytics or High Performance Computing. I am choosing this. You can choose here a standard, recommended for most scenario, general purpose, V2 account, or premium. So this is a high cost and this is some as compared to premium, this is low cost, so I am choosing a standard for learning purpose. Okay, and redundancy, Azure offered a various level of redundancy for storage account to ensure durability and high availability. This storage account just for learning purpose, so I am choosing here locally redundant storage account, which is lowest cost option with basic protection against server racks and drive failure, recommended for non-critical scenario. So I am choosing this locally redundant for learning purpose. Click here, next, and I am enabling here allow anonymous access on individual container. So click here, and all is by default access tier. I am choosing here port. Okay, so all leave it in network. Enable public access from all network. If you choose only for selected IP, you can click here, and you need to create here virtual subscription network. So I am choosing for simplicity enable public access from all network. And data protection, enable soft delete, and you can choose here 7 to 1 day only for all to make lowest cost. Okay, you can also choose 7 day, it's not much cost. So now click next. Encryption, leave it by default. Tag, leave it by default. And validation in progress. Now it's validated. Click here to create a storage account Data Lake Gen 2. So initializing deployment, submitting, deployment in progress. The deployment has now completed, and it took around 1 or 2 minutes to complete this deployment. Now click here to go to resource. and from here you can manage storage account. You can see here overview of storage account. Here is the data lake storage account, and you can see here container, file share, quiz, table, and you can also see security option, access key, shared access key. This is called SAS. You can manage from this resource group. So click here container. This is synonym of folder, and we want to create some folder in this container for practice. So I am going to click here this button and name it row folder, and click here to create. We want to create more folder called here proceed, and let's create one more folder called it presentation. Click here. We create here 3 folder for learning purpose, and also create some demo folder, and we want to create one more folder for shared file and give it anonymous. This one blob anonymous read access for blob only. Okay, and click here. Now I want to load file, so click here to upload and browse. Download, and I want to load this file, and you can see here, click here to upload using this UI option in web browser, and now file is uploaded. You can see here, click on this file and you can edit button and click here to preview. So you can see here the file data. Okay, so we create here 3 folder. We create here 5 folder: row, proceed, presentation, demo, and shared. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.